In today's video, I will walk you through how to add moving average convergence and divergence, or MACD, in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To follow along with this tutorial, open Robinhood Legend in your web browser and go to your chart workspace where you want to apply the MACD indicator. Once you are on the chart screen, look at the upper right-hand corner of the interface and find the indicators icon located just below the Add Widget option. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicators panel. From the Indicators panel, click Add Indicator to view the full list of available indicators inside Robinhood Legend. After the list opens, you can scroll through the indicators manually or use the search box to locate the one you need more quickly. Type MACD into the search field or scroll until you find Moving Average Convergence and Divergence in the list. Once you locate MACD, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the MACD indicator will immediately appear on your chart and become active in your workspace layout. You will now see the MACD section displayed along with your price chart, confirming that it has been successfully added. Once the indicator is visible, go to the Indicators panel again and locate MACD in the list of active indicators. Next to it, click on the Settings option to open the Customization menu. Inside the Settings panel, you will see options that allow you to adjust how the indicator appears on your chart. From here, you can change the colors used for the MACD lines and histogram so they match your preferred chart style and setup. Select the colors you want and apply the changes directly from the Settings menu. As soon as you apply the changes, the MACD indicator will update automatically on the chart without needing any additional steps. If you want to refine the look further, you can return to the same Settings panel at any time and adjust the colors again until it matches your preference. The MACD indicator will stay active on your chart as long as it remains enabled in the Indicators panel, even when you switch between different stocks or views inside Robinhood Legend. Once everything is set, you can continue analyzing price movement with your customized MACD indicator applied to your workspace. And that is how you add moving average convergence and divergence, or MACD, in Robinhood Legend.